In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Confluence. If you want a quick, reliable way for teammates to spin up new pages from a standard template, a Create from Template button is the fastest approach. You'll add it directly to any Confluence page, and once it's there, a single click will generate a brand new page using the template you choose. Here's exactly how to set it up, along with a few tips to make it smooth for your team. Start on the page where you want the button to live. Make sure you have permission to edit that page, then click Edit. This opens the Confluence editor so you can place the button wherever it makes sense. At the top for visibility, or right under instructions if you want to guide users. Inside the editor, type a / followed by the word button. So, /button. Confluence will show you options for button macros. Choose Create from Template. This is the option that ties a button to a specific template and automatically creates a new page when clicked. Before we configure it, a quick note. If you need Confluence or want to try it out, I've placed the official website link right at the top of the description so you can get to it easily. Now, in the pop-up, customize the experience. Change the button text to something clear and action-focused, like Create New Project or Start a Meeting note. Short, specific labels help people know exactly what the button does. Next, select the template name. Pick the template your user should create from. This could be a space template or a global template. If you don't see the one you expect, make sure the template exists in your space and that you have access to it. Optionally, pre-fill the title of content. This saves time and keeps titles consistent. You can use handy variables such as add current date for today's date, add space name for the space's display name, and add space key for the short space key. For example, you might set a title pattern like project plan, add space key, add current date to keep everything organized. Leave type set to page, which is the default for standard Confluence pages. When you're happy with the settings, click Save. Finally, click Publish on the page. Your button will appear exactly where you placed it. Test it by clicking the button yourself. Confluence will immediately create a new page from the selected template, with your preset title if you added one. That's it. You now have a clean, repeatable way for teammates to create consistent pages with a single click. Thanks for watching.